In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight duplicates in Google Sheets. This is especially useful if you're working with large datasets and need to quickly identify repeated entries to keep your records clean and organized. Let's get started with the process step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily. First, open your Google Sheets document and locate the column where you suspect there might be duplicates. To demonstrate this effectively, we will highlight an entire column, for example, column A. Click on the letter at the top of the column to select all the cells within it. You'll notice the whole column gets highlighted, signaling that it's been selected. Next, move your mouse to the top menu bar and click on Format. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your cursor over Conditional Formatting and click on it. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen, which is your gateway to setting up the conditions for highlighting your data. In the right panel, you'll find a section labeled Format Cells If. It's a drop-down menu with several options. For our purpose today, set it to Custom Formula Is. This allows us to create a custom condition tailored to our specific needs, which in this case is finding duplicates. Now you'll need to enter a formula that counts how many times each value occurs within your selected range. Type in this formula: COUNTIF A76 89 A76. 1. What this formula does is check each cell in the range from A76 to A89 and count if the value appears more than once. Remember, it's important to adjust the range in the formula to match the actual rows of data you are analyzing. Following this, it's time to personalize how your duplicates will be highlighted. Directly beneath the formula input box, select Formatting Style. Choose a highlight color. Google Sheets provides several predefined colors, but you can also customize it to any color that suits your spreadsheet's design. This highlight will visually flag all instances that appear more than once in your selected range, helping them stand out clearly against other data. Finally, confirm your settings by clicking on the Done button at the bottom of the panel. With that, any duplicates in your selected column will now be highlighted in your chosen color. This visual cue is a simple but powerful way to ensure clarity and maintain data integrity. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to highlight duplicates in your Google Sheets. With this technique, you'll spend less time manually checking for repeated data and more time on the parts of your project that really matter. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheet managing.